Hello, my CA warriors. Punarvas Jaikumar here. I'm a chartered accountant, passionate trainer. In the last 10 years, I've trained over 15,000 CA students. I am partnering with Unacademy for CA Foundation in this very own 100% English CA Foundation channel by Unacademy. So before we start today's session, my dear friends, I just want to talk to you a couple of minutes about something very important. So please listen in. First of all, please join my Telegram channel. It's called t.me/pjlaw. In this, I'll be giving you a lot of updates. I'll be sharing notes. I'll be sharing quizzes. There'll be a lot of polls, and I will get to interact with each of you. So if you are a CA Foundation student, and if you prefer learning in 100% English, join my Unacademy CA Foundation channel, PJ Law. In Unacademy, we have two very important and interesting subscription packages. The first one is called as Iconic. The second one is called as Plus. There is personal guidance, live classes, weekly tests, proper study planner, study material, expert guidelines, test analysis. All other things will take care. You just study. Rather than you doing everything in life, allow us to do something for you. Everything will take care, and all you need to do, my dear friends, is just study. We have India's best educators on Unacademy, and you should go in for an Unacademy subscription. Sir, let me try out first. Please download the Unacademy app, register yourself, and go through the so many wonderful educators videos that they have put up, so that you can definitely crack it. So two packages. One is called the Plus package. So 24 months package, 12 months package, 6 months package, 3 months package. You can see the rates here. Sir, what is Plus? In CA Foundation subscription called as Plus, you have India's best educators, interactive live classes, structured courses and PDFs, live tests and quizzes. Sir, I want something more. I want a personal coach. I want printed books. No problem, dear friends. You can go for the Iconic subscription. Everything you get the same as the Plus subscription, but two extra things: personal coach and printed books as well. And what is it that is blinking down? If you use my code PJSirLaw, you will get 10% discount. Alright guys, now in this concept capsule, what we are going to discuss is an interesting concept of property, sale and agreement to sell. So to understand sale and agreement to sell, we really need to understand what do you mean by property. So let's understand what do you mean by the term property. So guys, in Sale of Goods Act alone, the word property means, in Sale of Goods Act alone. Other places, in other acts, property has different meanings. Only in Sale of Goods Act, the word property means two things. It means ownership The word property, it means ownership, and the word property, it means possession. The word property, it means ownership, and the word property, it means possession. So when I say transfer of property, my dear friends, when I say transfer of property, it means not only ownership, but also, not only just possession, but also ownership. Of course, in Sale of Goods Act, when I say sale, it means transfer of property. And what is property? Ownership and possession. If I just think about it, if I just say ownership, transfer of ownership, it is called as general property. If I just say transfer of property, if I just say transfer of ownership, it's called general property. And when I say transfer of possession, and that is called as special property. These are the terms used. Transfer of property, transfer of ownership is called general property. Transfer of possession is called special property. So in the entire scheme of things, we have to see what is happening here, what is getting transferred. So mind you, my dear friends, most important thing in sale of goods is, even if possession is not transferred, it's okay. Possession can be transferred later, and possession we have just seen in the one of the concept capsules. That what do you mean by possession? Transfer of possession, it is delivery of goods. We have seen the various forms of delivery of goods. That's not a problem. What I am trying to tell is, the most important thing in the Sale of Goods Act is transfer of ownership. Transfer of ownership means transfer of general property. Transfer of ownership means general property. So I need to look at that. General property will be transferred. General property will be transferred. Now it can be transferred in various ways. That is what we need to discuss now. Transfer of ownership, when it is happening. Transfer of ownership can happen immediately. I go to a store, I look at the sugar packet, I say give me 1 kg sugar packet, whatever is there, that brand only, give me 1 kg sugar packet. Or give me 1 kg salt. I see Tata salt, I want Tata salt only, please give me 1 kg Tata salt. So when the salt is given to me, my dear friends, the salt is given to me, immediately it is transferred, no property. I pay the money, I get the salt packet. Now that is one part where the general property is being transferred immediately. Second part is, general property is being transferred at a later stage. For example, when I book Royal Enfield, when I book some bike, when I book some car, there will be a waiting period. Or let's say I come to you, you own a farm, and I say you are cultivating American sweet corn, which is going to be harvested in the next 3 months. The American sweet corn which is going to be harvested in the next 3 months, please give that to me. I am buying it now only. I'll buy it now, I'll wait for 3 months. 3 months later, when the delivery comes, please give it to me. When the crop is harvested, please give that to me. So here, where is the delivery happening? The ownership, when is it transferring? At a later stage, not now. But am I entering into a contract now? Yes. So my dear friends, in a contract of sale, basically I am talking about contract of sale. In a contract of sale, if the delivery of goods is happening immediately, in a contract of sale, if the delivery of goods is happening immediately, it is simply called as a sale. It is simply called as a sale. Sale is happening today or sale is happening tomorrow? Sale is happening today. So it's called as a present sale. Goods are existing today or goods will come into existence tomorrow? Goods are existing today. So it is present sale of existing goods. Present sale of existing goods. Present sale of existing goods. present sale. Sale is happening today. Of what goods? Existing goods. Means goods are already in existence. I'll go pick up a packet of salt. On the other hand, if it happens at a later stage, where I have to wait for 2 months, 3 months, etc., this, my dear buddies, is called as agreement to sell. One is called sale, this is called agreement to sell. Agreement to sell. In agreement to sell, what happens? Sale is happening today. Guys, students generally make a mistake. They'll write future sale. No. Future sale, no. Sale is happening today only. Sale is happening today. So it is again present sale. It is again present sale. Of what goods, my dear friends? Present sale of what goods? Goods will come in the future. Present sale of future goods. So here we have present sale of existing goods. Here we have present sale of future goods. If the property is being transferred at a later stage, it is called agreement to sell. If the property is being done immediately, the property is being transferred immediately, it is called as a sale. If the property is being transferred at a later stage, it is called agreement to sell. Sale is what? Present sale of existing goods. Agreement to sell is what? Present sale of future goods. Present sale of existing goods and present sale of future goods. So if you see, under a contract of sale, the property in the goods is transferred from seller to the buyer immediately. Contract is called sale. So there is present sale of existing goods. If it is going to happen at a future date, and the contract is called agreement to sell, this is called present sale of future goods. This is what is all about: property, sale and agreement to sell. So guys, what are you waiting for? Step number 1, go to Unacademy Learning app. Step number 2, hit install. That's it. That's all you need to do. And go to CA Foundation Plus and check out these 2 subscription plans, Plus and Iconic. I told you the difference. My personal suggestion would be go with the 24 months plan. Why? I'll tell you why. Because with the Iconic subscription, you will get 12 months. There is a combo, guys. CA Foundation and Intermediate. 12 months combo, 24 months combo. If you take the 24 months combo, the good thing is you'll also get time to study intermediate also. So we have the CA Foundation and Inter combo both in Plus as well as Iconic. And dear friends, there is something called as Unacademy Combat Scholarship Test every Sunday at 12 p.m. Participate in the quiz, and if you get good results, if your rank is 1 to 3, then 4 to 10, 11 to 50 and 51 to 200, amazing scholarships. You're getting 50% off, 25% off. Enroll now. The code would be PJ Sir Law. And dear friends, if you go to my channel on Unacademy, I'll tell you more about it. Before that, as I told you, limited time offer. If you buy for 12 months, you'll get 2 months free. Same for both the Iconic and the Plus subscription. But I would request you go for the 24 months plan, because you will get not only foundation but also time to finish your CA Inter. Please guys, follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. Please do that. please follow me. It'll help me also, and you obviously can check out all the special classes that I've released. So guys, as I told you, without fail, please follow me on unacademy.com/Punarvas Jaikumar. If you don't know what to do, go to any of my videos and check out the link here. Punarvas Jaikumar sir's Unacademy profile. Once you click on that, it will take you here where you will see all my followers. You please follow me and you will see my special classes. Free classes. To enter the class, you just need to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want a discount, you have to put the code PJ Sir Law. If you want this, you have to just put the code PJ Sir Law. Very, very, very simple, my dear friends. Extremely simple. And also, if you see here, any combo subscription or intermediate plus, and we have the iconic for CA Foundation and intermediate, all you need to do is just pick a plan. And once you say pick a plan, in this referral code, all you need to do is PJ Sir Law. And magic, you will get 10% off. So this is all you need to do, my dear friends. Very, very simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, my dear friends. Please, please, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon, because any important video released by me or any of the educators on this CA Foundation and Academy English channel, you will get a notification. Please like this video, share it among your friends, and also please leave your comments in the comment section. If you want to watch any special class of mine on the Unacademy platform, the code is PJ Sir Law. If you want to buy any product, the code is PJ Sir Law to get a 10% discount. Please download the Unacademy Learners app, and in the special class you can also get all the notes as well. You can download. On that note, see you until next time, my dear friends. Love you all. Bye, my CA warriors. Cheers.